Pressure wash. I want to talk to you this morning about taking advantage of your equipment, getting in and getting out. We're doing this daycare, and we're doing all the cement, the sidewalk, the curbing. We're doing all of this, and I've got two guys working with me. So what we are doing is I put two guys on the surface cleaners. Now they're about to start rinsing. And what I want to talk to you about is the equipment, your setup. When you're set up right, you can get in and get out on these jobs. These guys keep on making comments on my page about they could do it better, they would, they're slow, but they do a good job. Well, we're fast and we do a good job. See that roof pump right there? My trailer? That roof pump, while they're running the two pressure washers, I'm washing this building with my roof pump and rinsing. So I'm going to show you. I've already soaked. I've soaked all this, all the way around. I've already done the other side. Now I'm about to rinse it. I just turned my soap off. So I'm going to run the soap out of the line, and then I'm going to rinse. This is the beauty about having a gas roof pump. Because while they're doing that, I can come around here and start rinsing. I'm on soap right now. It's in the line, but it'll be out in just a second. So this is a daycare that we do every year in Valley, Alabama. And so this is my roof pump that I'm using. The 12 volts are great, but the only bad thing about the 12 volts is you can't rinse with it. But with this gas roof pump, you can rinse. So, as you can see, water's coming out now. So I'm going to start rinsing with this. Now, we have been here on this daycare probably about 45 minutes. We've already got all the cement washed, and we've got the building, half of it washed. I'm rinsing down the second half now, and we'll be out of here probably another 20 minutes. So about an hour to do this whole job. It's not that we don't do a good job. We do a great job. We have people calling us back every year. It's just that we have the setup to get in and get out, so we can get the job done. So this is my roof pump here, and you see it's got plenty of pressure to rinse. I can put any kind of nozzle I want on it. If I want a J-rod, I can put a J-rod on it. So this morning we running 2 8-gallons per minute, and my gas roof pump. And the beauty about it was they were able to take our 12-volt pre-treat. So what I'm trying to teach you guys is you get in and you get out and you make the money. I'm going to take this nozzle real quick, and I'm going to put it on straight stream and show you how it does. So I can rinse anything that I want to rinse. If I want more distance, I just put my J-rod on. But this is my gas roof pump. Pumps 11 gallons a minute, 300 PSI. Does a great job. Anyways, Leon Southern Style Pressure Wash. Just want to give you guys a tip today to be able to get in and make the money and get out, because the longer you take, it's costing you money. And the reason I'm able to do it so fast, I'm running 8-gallon machines. If you run 4 gallon, it's going to take you twice as long. So yeah, we're speeding up the process. But our name of the game is get in, do a fast job, good quality job, get the money, and go to the next one. All right, this is Leon, Southern Style Pressure Wash.